Hi guys, we all have been hearing about glutathione. Glutathione has been talk of the town for quite some time now. But do you really know what it is and why everybody is talking about it? And is it really difficult to have enough glutathione in your body? Let me tell you today. Glutathione is very essential for keeping you healthy and maintaining good immune system, keeping all the diseases away. Now why is that? Because glutathione is master antioxidant. It has great properties to boost your immune system, as well as it is a great detoxifier. It really cleanses our body. Awesome. That is why glutathione is so very important. Now, how to have enough glutathione? The best part about it is body can create glutathione as well as recycle it. So you can have enough glutathione by yourself. But there are certain things that you will have to do to make sure you maintain good levels. Now first is have sulfur-rich food. Sulfur-rich food really helps in glutathione production. Now what is sulfur-rich food? First is cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli. These all are cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables from allium family like onion, garlic, that's allium family. Third is dark leafy vegetables like spinach, kale. All these will have lots and lots of sulfur. So make sure that you have all these in your daily routine. But one second, not just have it. To enhance the effect, you need to chop or crush these vegetables. You need to have them raw, or maximum just steam them a little so that you don't destroy the properties. Remember that. Secondly, have lots of food with vitamin B, C and E. Now, vitamin B. Not any vitamin B, but vitamin B2, which is called riboflavin. It really helps maintaining good levels of glutathione. Good source of vitamin B2 is dairy, yogurt, cheese, eggs, organ meat, spinach, salmon, almonds. All these have good source of vitamin B2. Thirdly, it is vitamin C. Now we all know citrus fruits has a lot of vitamin C. It's no brainer that your oranges, lime, sweet lime, amla, which is Indian gooseberry, has huge source of vitamin C. But along with that, do you know that kiwi, tomato, potato, cantaloupes also are a rich source of vitamin C. So you can include them in your daily routine and that will give you a lot of vitamin C, which definitely helps in maintaining glutathione levels. Fourth is vitamin E. Now vitamin E rich food is your nuts, seeds, avocados, wheat germ oil, sunflower seed oil, pumpkins, red bell pepper, beetroot greens, collard greens and spinach. All these dark leafy vegetables are good source of vitamin E food, and that is definitely going to help maintaining good levels of glutathione. Some of these foods help in glutathione production and some help in recycling of it. Now fifth is selenium rich food. Selenium is abundantly available in nuts, seeds, seafood, egg, organ meat, nuts, beans, mushrooms and bananas. Now fruits do not have too much of selenium, but in that list, banana really tops the list. So yes, include your banana in daily smoothie or in the morning oats, and that is going to give you good amount of selenium. Now sixth is N-acetylcysteine food. Now good sources are chicken, egg, dairy products and sunflower seeds. Seventh is ALA, alpha lipoic acid. Difficult, right? So let's call it ALA. ALA does not directly impact glutathione levels, but it helps in recycling of vitamin E and vitamin C. And we've already seen that vitamin E and vitamin C are very important to maintain glutathione levels. So that is how ALA is going to help your glutathione levels as well. Good sources of ALA is meat, organ meat, tomatoes and broccoli. Now all this is about foods that can help you maintain good levels of glutathione. But that's not it. Eat this. Good exercise. But remember, don't overdo it, otherwise you're going to reverse the effect. But 30 minutes of a cardio and little weight training every day really helps maintaining good levels of glutathione. It really boosts the levels of glutathione. And 9, last but not the least, is your sleep. Good amount of rest is very essential for maintaining good levels of glutathione. Good amount of rest is also important in reducing stress hormones. So, you're going to maintain good levels of glutathione, which are going to detoxify your body, as well as you're going to produce less stress hormones. So, overall, sleep definitely helps as great antioxidant and detoxify. So, don't forget. Now we've seen all these natural things that help in maintaining good levels of glutathione. If you can't really get enough of all these, then the last option or a 10th option is you can go for glutathione supplements. They definitely do help. Make sure you are not overdoing it at all, because otherwise it has bad health effects also. So guys, take care. Now I'll see you next Wednesday with some other wellness tip and some more information. Till then, you stay healthy and take care. Bye.